Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe, and today we're doing a different type of tutorial. This time, I just wanted to talk and connect with you guys, let you know where I'm at. If you just want to see the tutorial, I'll put a short one on Instagram with no sound, or just put it on mute, listen to your music, and glam along with me. But anywho, if you want to see how to get this look, then please stay tuned. We're just gonna chat, I'm gonna do my makeup, but instead of it being more straightforward and kind of instructional, instead of it being just like me going through the steps of makeup, I'm just gonna chat. Get you a little drink of choice or whatever. Coffee, tea, whiskey on the rocks. Let's do some makeup, some fall glam. So I'm going with the Marc Jacobs Youth Quake first. I recently have been kind of in a weird place with YouTube. Take a little bit of liquid highlighter by Anastasia. I took a break maybe, I don't know, a year ago. And ever since then, and I came back, YouTube is totally different, and it always changes and evolves and all that stuff. Now the McGrath foundation. When I came back, I've just noticed that instead of it being more I want to learn how to do my eyeliner or contour or whatever, it's definitely more reviews and stuff like that. It's not quite as artistry based, I feel or not even artistry, and that's totally cool. I like doing reviews on stuff that I actually like. It's hard for me to drag a brand or a product because sometimes stuff just isn't for me. I like a lot of stuff that other people don't like, and I don't want to cock block somebody from finding a dope product. I will say, if you guys ask me about a product and I've tried it, I'll be yo, I don't like it or whatever, but I don't want to sit there and be this is the worst thing I've ever put on my face and I hate it and whatever. So anyways, I was doing a video the other day, a review, and I wanted to do the video, but I could just see my personality and everything just wasn't there because I wasn't enjoying it. You know what I mean? Huda Beauty Concealer, Caramel Corn. I don't want to do stuff on here that I'm not proud of or excited about. I just want to do stuff that I love, and I want to love YouTube again. After you take a break from YouTube, it totally messes with your views. I'm not a drama person. I don't be out here fighting with people. I don't really do clickbait whatsoever. So it's hard to build it back up just to be seen, even though I still have subscribers. Unless you're constantly putting stuff out, making it tempting to click on your video, you're not going to get visibility. So I was thinking, you know what? I just like to do makeup. I'm obsessed with makeup. Makeup is my passion. Maybe I'll just stop YouTube and just do Instagram so I can do my videos and just makeup and not really worry about YouTube, because I was getting stressed out and overwhelmed and oh, I shouldn't post this, or I don't feel passionate about this, or instead of just being free with it and posting. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because I need silence when I do it, Today we're gonna get into this beautiful Mothership 6 palette by Pat McGrath. Yeah, I was considering oh, maybe I'll just quit and just do Instagram. Anyways, not a quitting type of bitch, I just think about the people who watch. You guys deserve more than that, and I just feel I have the nicest comment section. Everyone's really supportive to me and to each other, and I think that's a beautiful thing. It's a safe place for people to enjoy themselves and relax or whatever. I just realized I've been on YouTube for so long, and I don't think it's worth it just to give up. Go into the burgundy now, this one. I just think the beauty about YouTube is you get to do whatever the hell you want on your channel, and that's exactly what I want to do. So forever I've been really caught up in trying to please everybody, and I just get overwhelmed and then I don't post anything. And I think I just want to do it to enjoy myself, just how I want you guys to enjoy yourselves when you're watching. I want to enjoy myself too, and not get caught up in everything being perfect. And I just want to be proud of everything, and I think what will make me the most proud is just having a good time. I always kind of hide my personality because not hide it, but instead of being fake or putting on a personality, I always tend to just get quiet, and I do that on my channel a lot. Instead of just being myself, I shut down a little bit and make myself smaller because I'm oh, people are probably gonna think I'm a weirdo, which I am. And in real life, I don't care. I have the time of my life, and I don't mind being weird in real life and a safe place for other people to be weird, and I really like to just have a good time, honestly. And it's just so crazy because I'm so shy still on here. I'm not like that in real life. I'm kind of a crazy person, you know what I mean? So I'm going to start posting whatever on here. I have so many things that I'm passionate about, still heavily makeup focused, but if you want strictly artistry, I'm gonna leave it for Instagram. But I'm just in an experimental phase right now. I feel I have nothing to lose, and sometimes when you get to that point, that's when you do your craziest things. So you guys probably didn't even know, but I'm my second passion is cooking. I would love to cook on here, why the hell not? I got nothing to lose. But I think I get caught up in having a good time so much that I don't document things. So I'm gonna start. I also have my birthday vlog. It was in June, but I think I'm gonna just put it out. And I just wanna start having fun on here again. I still wanna create dope videos. I wanna try new things. I asked a little while ago if I should do vlogs. Everybody said yes. It was about 50-50 on if I should start a new channel or if I should just continue, by the way, on this channel and just keep it makeup. It's a different space on here now, you know? I hope that's cool with you guys. And instead of quitting, I want to be reborn on here. And for years I've been like, I'm gonna open up. Instead of keeping everything kind of all business, why not just have a good time on here, you know? I'm just getting glam right now to go to IKEA. And I've been working out of a studio. I got this brick wall and things. And I'm gonna finish this place finally. And then I'm gonna give you guys a studio tour, see what goes on in here. I'm also gonna be going through my makeup. I'm on a lot of PR lists and there's a lot of stuff one person cannot use, so I'm going to start doing giveaways on here. And the reason why I hate giveaways in the past, or have hated them, is because I'm the type of person that never really won anything before, and it breaks my heart whenever I have done a giveaway and people are like, I never win anything, blah blah blah, and I just feel so guilty and so bad, and I feel like I disappoint more people than I make them happy. But I'm going to do lots of giveaways, so hopefully if you're somebody like me who never wins anything, you can have that chance. So stay posted for that. Also, I'm gonna go into this beautiful little copper fella here. By the way, no one touches Pat McGrath's pigmentation or texture on eyeshadow. It's just beautiful. YouTube is a community-based thing. I would really love like suggestions on what you guys want to see. When you kind of start fresh, you have room to experiment with whatever you want. Let me know what you guys want to see. But because I'm kind of starting over, I feel like I have lots of opportunity to just do whatever. So I'm gonna try it out. It's better than quitting. I'm gonna keep doing makeup tutorials. If you guys want to see reviews on stuff, I'll either be like yes, or I'll be like tried it, wasn't for me. Do a little eyeliner, why not? Another thing I can't be too chatty about, you know. I'm gonna look crazy going to IKEA with all this glam and sweatpants on, but whatever. Sometimes when you feel like the most defeated or ready to give up, you do the best thing. So I just wanna keep Instagram and YouTube separate. I'll have mini tutorials of everything that I do on YouTube, on Instagram, if you just wanna skip through the conversations and stuff, but I just wanna have a good time. So anyways, I'm excited. I don't know if this conversation is heavy or what, but I just want to communicate with you guys. And I always hate like documenting this type of stuff because I could be feeling some type of way one time and then like literally a week later, I'm like, why the f did I say that? And that's my struggle with YouTube, is I change and grow so fast mentally, or go back forth, whatever. Can't keep up with myself. Also, Velour lashes. Haven't worn them in a long time because I feel like they made all of their lashes shorter. Canadian brand. Super freaking excited that they came out with the Fluff and Glam collection, which is back to their like super freaking extra roots. So very excited to be wearing these babies again. These are the She-O-O. She-E-O? Oh, She-E-O, I get it. Anyways, now I just want to hear from you guys because you guys are loyal, you've been with me, and your opinion matters to me. Like, what do you think? I know like a lot of people like my videos because I'm straight to business. Would you like it to be mixed up? Like, I don't know, I'm a blank slate. I just want to start fresh and I want to give you guys what you want because I'm not going nowhere, you feel me? Man, I'm gonna be fully in drag at IKEA, but that's okay. Also, for the giveaways, you guys think I should have the giveaways on Instagram or should I just do it on YouTube? For all the OGs that really support me, maybe I'll just keep it open to YouTube. There's been so many times too where I just can't get in the zone. I film stuff all the time and then I'm like, nah, I don't like this, and I don't post it. Maybe I should just turn those into silent videos when I'm just not in the mood, you know what I mean? I felt like I needed to make this video because I want you guys to be on this journey with me, and then I can just kind of hold myself accountable, because at the end of the day, I freaking love YouTube and I love doing it, and I love, love, love and appreciate you guys. Sorry to say that with one eyelash on. I'm not throwing in the towel just yet, friends. The way that eyelash just threw in the towel on me, holy. Also, if there's anything that you guys want to see, like updated eyebrow routine, which I'm thinking about doing, I pretty well use similar products, but the shape always changes. They're back to Spock light. I'm back to my Spock roots, and here we are. The Pat McGrath mascara. I use the Kaja Spicy Heart Stamp Blush. It's kind of like terracotta color. These are the new shades. I actually really like these because they're dewy on the skin. I'm gonna actually use the Luna highlight by Kaja Beauty too. And tell me what you guys think and how you feel about this. I wanted to do more Instagram videos with makeup, but do you think I should put them on YouTube too so that you can search them? More of a silent video? Like, do you guys like a silent video? Do you guys like it when I talk about nothing, like right now? I'm experimenting right now. This year I turned 30. I feel like I've had like 12 quarter life crises where I'm just like ready to reinvent. And it's exciting to me. It's not scary. It's very exciting. Oh, bitch. It didn't break. Look at that. Winning. Do my normal bronze and contour routine. Makes the highlight pop so much more when you're contoured. I also want to do videos that are still instructional, but I want to do it based off requests. So if you want to see something, let me know. And I'm going to post more often, and I'm not going to have a schedule. I'm just going to post. Look at that. Deep face. For lippies, let's do the Full Force Goddess by Buxom. It's a plumping lipstick. My lips are a little ashy right now. They're about to be fat. Let's do a little darker on the outer parts. Why not? I'm gonna take Triple Threat, a little darker one. Do a little ombre. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna take off this headband and brush my wig. Okay, I decided to change my sweater too, just cause gotta get out my sweatpants. So thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to let you know kind of where I'm at and see what you guys think. And if you have suggestions for me or anything that you want to see, let me know. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm so excited to be doing this, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Talk about all my problems while I'm friggin' doing my makeup, why not? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, follow, love yourself, just like I'm gonna love myself too. Stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.